I think we can say without a doubt that seeing is believing. So if I'm running a relatively small organization, what really helps is to know that one of my peers or one of my competitors has already done this thing that I'm thinking about doing, or maybe I would be inspired by them to try something myself.
First evaluate what you'd like to do and where you'd like to focus on digitalization. I think using case studies it is critical. It just shows to the SMEs how it could be done.
From the work I've done, I've really understood that there are three types of manufacturers that are going through digital transformation. You have the guys that have no clue, that are still using paper and Excel sheet, and then you've got the second guys who have been able to map out the business and understand that actually we could potentially optimize this part of our business. And then you have the third category of manufacturers that have now invested in this technology, but now want to have end-to-end connectivity of all of this technology.
Without SMEs getting involved in this digital journey, the whole digitalisation programme can't work. Conversely, it's also true that if you're not part of that digital revolution, then you won't be involved in it in the future, so there's never been a better time to get started.
We're working really hard to put in place what we're calling a national adoption programme with special advisors, with some consultancy, with some innovation vouchers. We can help small to medium-sized companies start getting a leg up on the journey of implementing digital technologies in their factories.
Government plays a role, but not only government, it's chambers of commerce, it's the regional governments, associations, they all work together in an ecosystem to support a good environment for developing the new kind of business.
5 years ago, this wasn't even a topic they were thinking about. At least today, they're asking relevant questions and they know it's something they need to find out about. So there's certainly quite a lot of progress, but also we're a long way to go. We need to continue to raise awareness and raise support for SMEs.
There's a lack of skills available in the market, and we're here to help SMEs as well as OEMs to access skills in digital engineering and to help them navigate that path towards a digital manufacturing future.
At every level, wherever you are in a digital journey, there's always more that can be learned, more benefits that can be achieved, and that's what the Digital Readiness Level tool is helping to do.
If you want to understand what your customers are doing or what your machines are doing or what your staff are doing, the only way you're able to do that is via technology.